Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best portable cart picnic table with an umbrella. The Stansport picnic table and umbrella combo in green. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a day at the park, or just need a convenient outdoor table, this combo promises to bring comfort, shade, and durability right to your fingertips. First up, let's talk about its design. The Stansport picnic table features a sturdy anodized aluminum frame that is not only lightweight but incredibly strong. This makes it easy to carry yet durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions. The frame includes upgraded locking mechanisms that add extra support and ensure stability when the table is set up, giving you peace of mind wherever you place it. The tabletop is made from heavy-duty, high-impact plastic, which is weather-resistant and easy to clean. Its rectangular shape offers ample space to hold your food, drinks, or gear, making it perfect for family meals or group outings. Despite being lightweight at just over 17 pounds, this table is designed to handle a maximum weight of 200 pounds per bench, making it surprisingly robust. Now, what really sets this product apart is the umbrella. The combo includes a 56-inch diameter umbrella that adjusts up to 75 inches high, providing generous shade from the sun. The umbrella's height can be easily modified with a push-button lock, so you can customize the coverage based on your needs. Plus, it protects you from harmful UV rays, making it a practical addition for long days outdoors. When it comes to convenience, this picnic table folds up effortlessly for easy storage and transport. Its compact folded size fits well in the trunk of your car or even in a closet at home. This makes it an ideal companion for backpacking, hiking, travel, and other outdoor recreational activities. Safety is also well accounted for. The manufacturer advises anchoring or stabilizing the table on uneven ground to prevent tipping and recommends closing the umbrella during high winds to avoid accidents. Additionally, users should be mindful of pinch points during setup and storage, which is common with foldable outdoor furniture. To summarize, the Stansport picnic table and umbrella combo combines portability, durability, and functionality in one package. Its lightweight anodized aluminum frame, high-impact plastic top, and adjustable umbrella make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable, easy-to-carry picnic setup. If you're looking for a versatile table with shade on the go, this product is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching, and happy picnicking!